students, welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel there are videos related to the subjects like mathematics, science, social science, English grammar and general knowledge. So today we will see video related to the science subject. In that, today's topic is air pollution. Air pollution is when unwanted chemical, gases and particles enter the air and the atmosphere, causing harm to animals and damaging the natural cycles of the earth. Some sources of air pollution come from nature. This include eruption of volcanoes, dust storms and forest fires. Types of pollutant. Primarily, air pollutant can be caused by primary sources or secondary sources. The pollutant that are direct result of the process can be called primary pollutant. A classic example of a primary pollutant will be the sulfur dioxide emitted from factories. Secondary pollutant are the ones that are caused by the intermingling and reactions of primary pollutant. Smoke created by the interaction of several primary pollutant is known to be as secondary pollutant. Causes of air pollution. So let's see the causes of air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and other factory combustibles are one of the major causes of air pollution. Pollution emitting from vehicles including trucks, jeeps, cars, trains, airplanes cause an immense amount of pollution. We rely on them to fulfill our daily basic needs of transportation. Agriculture activities. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from agriculture related activities and is one of the most hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Use of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural activities has grown quite a lot. They emit harmful chemicals into the air and can also cause water pollution. Exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industries release a large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. Manufacturing industries can be found at every corner of the earth and there is no area that has not been affected by it. Petroleum refineries also release hydrocarbons and various other chemicals that pollute the air and also cause land pollution. Mining operations. Mining is the process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipments. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. This is one of the reasons which is responsible for the deteriorating health conditions of the workers and nearby residents. Indoor air pollution. Household cleaning products, painting supplies emit toxic chemicals in the air and cause air pollution. Have you ever noticed that once you paint the walls of your house, it creates some sort of smell which causes it literally impossible for you to breathe. Now, next is disastrous effects of air pollution. Respiratory and heart problems. The effects of air pollution are alarming. They are known to create several respiratory and heart conditions along with cancer, among other threats to the body. Several millions are known to have died due to the direct or indirect effects of air pollution. Children in areas exposed to air pollutant are said to be commonly suffered from pneumonia and asthma. Global warming. Another direct effect is the immediate alteration that the world is witnessing due to the global warming. With increased temperature worldwide, increase in sea levels and melting of ice from colder regions, and iceberg displacement and loss of habitat have already signaled a in impending disasters if actions for preservation and normalization aren't undertaken soon. Acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplets combined with this air pollutant becomes acidic and then falls on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage to human, animals, and crops. Next is eutrophication. Eutrophication is a condition where a high amount of nitrogen present in some pollutant gets developed on sea surface and turns itself into algae and adversely affect fish, plants, and animal species. The green colored algae that are present on lakes and ponds is due to the presence of this chemical only. Effects on wildlife. Just like humans, animals also face some devastating effects of air pollution. Toxic chemicals present in the air can force wildlife species to move to a new place and change their habitat. The toxic pollutants deposit more over the surface of the water and can also affect sea animals. Depletion of the ozone layer. Ozone exists in the Earth's stratosphere and is responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays. Earth's ozone layer is depleting due to the presence of hydrochlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere. As the ozone layer will go thin, it will emit harmful rays back on the Earth and can cause skin and eye related problems. Ultraviolet rays, that is UV rays, also have the capability to affect crops. Next is solution for air pollution. Now let's see some solution for air pollution. Use public modes of transportation. Encourage people to use more and more public modes of transportation to reduce pollution. Also try to make use of carpooling. If you and your colleagues come from the same locality and have same timings, you can explore this option to save energy and money. Conserve energy. Switch off fans and lights when you are going out. A large number of fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity. You can save the environment from degradation by reducing the number of fossil fuels to be burned. Understand the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do not throw away items that are of no use to you. In fact, reuse them for some other purpose. For example, you can use old jars to store seals or pulses. Emphasis is on clean energy resources. Clean energy technologies like solar, wind, and geothermal are on high these days. Governments of various countries have been providing grants to consumers who are interested in installing solar panels for their home. This will go a long way to curb air pollution. Use energy efficient devices. CFL lights consume less electricity as against their counterparts. They live longer, consume less electricity, lower electricity bills, and also help you to reduce pollution by consuming less energy. So this was all about air pollution. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question, or doubts in the comment sections if you have any, or you can drop mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. We will surely reply back to your comment. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.